This time I will show you how to create a text reflection effect in Canva like this. Mirror effects are among the latest of trends designed to help make your graphic design stand out. But before we start, for those of you who have just watched this tutorial, don't forget to subscribe and smash that like button. Okay, let's get started. On the Canva main page, go to the custom size menu. Here you can enter the size you want. But now I want to make the desktop wallpaper size. To create this effect, we need some images. Here I will look for pictures of lakes. Since we are using the free Canva, we will use pixels. Go to the application menu tab and type in the search pixels. And in the search bar field, type lake. Use the right image for your design. Right-click on the image and set as background. After that, we will insert text into the design. Go to the text tab and enter the text you want. After that, change the font type. Here I use the Anton font. The next step, change the text color to match the color you want. Here I use white. After changing the text color, we will then duplicate the text so that it can be mirrored. Open a new layer and copy the text. Paste it into the design on layer 2. Then change the color so it can be seen because the background is white. We will remove the background. If you use Canva Pro, then you can immediately delete the background via the photo editing menu. But because I use the free Canva, I need a third party to remove the background. To remove the background to a third party, we need to download the design first. Go to Share button and select Download and select PNG or JPG format. Wait for the downloading process. And when it is finished, open a new tab in your browser and type in the search website, Remove Background. Go to the remove.bg website, and here we will remove the background from the design that we downloaded earlier. Look for the file that we have downloaded and drag and drop it into the Remove Background website page and wait for them to remove the design background. After finishing removing the background, we can download the file. After that, go to Canva again and upload the photo from which we removed the background to our Canva editor. After that, we enter it into the editor. Adjust the position of the previous text with the image text from which we have removed the background. Now it's time to flip the text and select Flip. Set the text position to the bottom. Here I want to change the color to white. Go to the Edit Image menu and look for the Duotone effect and change both colors to white. Now click on the text again and change the transparency according to your need. Because the text is not visible, we will add a shadow effect to the text. Next, we will add a shadow to the main text. Go to the Elements menu and type in Search Shadow. Okay, the mirror effect design is finally finished. Then you can download or share with other friends. If you like this tutorial, don't forget to subscribe, share, and smash that like button. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video tutorial.